Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. The groundhog did not see a shadow, so that means we're going to have an early spring. I know we're all looking forward to that. What I was doing this week, I was out, surveying the lawn, seeing if I could find any green spots in it where some weeds may be popping through the dormant Bermuda. You can see the Bermuda is fully dormant. There's not any green Bermuda coming up, but I did find some green spots. And let me take you down here and show you. Here we are, right here on the corner of the lawn, just basically this circle here. Good old burweed. See the close up. If you know what burweed is, or if you have kids and you've had this in the lawn in the summer, it gets to maturity and dies once it gets really hot, and all these turn into little brown stickers. You walk through the yard and boom, your foot's full of stickers. Always seems like every year I have a spot of that somewhere in the yard, and the kids holler, say, "Daddy, you got stickers in the yard." But today we're going to show you one product I'm going to use to kind of spot treat this little circle here. See if we can kill these before they get mature, because you can see they're really small, so they must have just came up. Temperature is in the 70 today, and tomorrow's going to be in the 70. So I got a product. Let's head on over and I'll show you what it is. All right, guys, here's a couple of products you can use to knock out the lawn burweed. One is, of course, Certainty. Comes in a really small bottle. It's 1.25 ounces. But today we're not going to use that. Today, since it's in the 70s, I'm gonna try this Fertilome. It's called a weed-free zone. And if you can see right here, you see the 3 active ingredients: 2,4-D, which is, as we all know, is a great weed killer in Bermuda. And it also has Mecaprop P and also some dicamba, which is really good weed killer as well. So we're going to mix some of this up in a small 1-gallon sprayer, and then we're just going to spot spray that area. And the label recommends do 1.5 ounce per gallon of water, and 1.5 ounces fluid ounces is equal to about 3 tablespoons. So we'll put 3 tablespoons in there, because 1 tablespoon is equal to ½ ounce. So what we're going to do is fill that up, and we'll go spot spray it, and then we'll probably come back in 2 or 3 days and see what the burweed looks like. Hopefully it'll be shriveled up and hopefully dying. Oh, don't forget to throw in some little surfactant. This will help the herbicide stick to the weed and help it perform a little better. Make sure you put on some protective wear. Make sure and wear some pants if it's the slight bit windy, because it will blow on you. But thankfully today it's not blowing at all. So let's go ahead and put our product in. Already had 1 ounce or 1 tablespoon, put 2 more. That makes a total of 3 tablespoons per gallon. Put this on and give it a good shake. It'll be ready to spray. All right, guys, it's been several days since I've applied the Fertilome, and we can see the, let's see if we can get down here. We can see the plant starting to die. You see the brown on it? Little brown. Not sure if you can see it, but it's starting to die. It's turned kind of a pale green color. So hopefully we got it just in time before it goes to seed. You always want to try and catch the burweed before it goes to seed, produces stickers. And I think I had here's a broadleaf weed. It really toasted it. It smoked that. Had a couple of that. One back here. You see it really toasted the broadleaf. Yeah, but it did a pretty good job, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this will die off and it'll be gone by the time spring rolls around. I'm starting to see some green Bermuda deep into the dormant Bermuda. starting to come up, so it won't be long. I think we'll be green by the time March goes around. Right now, as you can see, it's starting to rain some. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great day, and check out this product if you have Burweed. Catch it early, that way you won't have stickers in your yard. Hope you guys have a great day.